Have you ever wondered how much difference fresh garden ingredients can make in your cooking? The magic lies in their enhanced flavor, more nutrients, and the joy of nurturing your own food. So what ingredients can you grow in your garden that will transform your culinary creations? From aromatic herbs to crunchy veggies, your garden can be a treasure trove of culinary delights. Imagine plucking ripe tomatoes, bursting with flavor, or snipping fresh basil, parsley, and rosemary, their fragrances filling the air. Picture harvesting zucchini and bell peppers, their vibrant colors a testament to their freshness. All these garden-fresh ingredients can transform your recipes, adding depth and richness to each bite. And remember, the fresher the ingredient, the more delicious your dish will be. Now, imagine whipping up a meal using ingredients you've just picked from your garden. Picture this: a vibrant basil pesto pasta where the basil is so fresh it was on the plant just minutes ago. Or how about a roasted chicken, seasoned to perfection with fragrant rosemary straight from your garden? It's a flavor experience that's hard to match. And let's not forget a crisp, colorful salad made from juicy tomatoes and crunchy bell peppers, still warm from the sun's touch. These aren't just meals, they're culinary adventures, and each one is a journey of taste, texture, and aroma. The possibilities are endless when you start cooking with fresh garden ingredients. Each garden-fresh meal is an opportunity to savor the true essence of nature's bounty. Embarking on a culinary journey with fresh garden ingredients is not just about creating delicious meals. It's an opportunity to stir up your creativity, experiment with flavors, and share your food stories with others. This sense of community, the joy of sharing, is what makes cooking an adventure. So why not dive in, try new recipes, and let your garden guide your culinary exploration? We can't wait to hear about your garden-inspired culinary adventures. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more garden-to-table inspirations.